Hello friends, Vinay with another video, and today I will show you how to enable new Dialogs UI for rename this PC and date and time with dark mode in Windows 11. Starting with Windows 11 build 25201, Microsoft has internally updated old Metro style dialogs, and the new Dialog UI is similar to the one with the app picker design that company was testing internally in previous builds. The good thing about the new Dialog UI is that it also respects light and dark mode preferences. At the moment, rename your PC and date and time dialog are only updated with new Dialog UI. You can check the comparison between new and old Dialog UI for name your PC and date and time. This is the old UI for name your PC, and this is the new Dialog UI for name your PC. This is the old UI for change date and time dialog, and this is the new one. Right now, Microsoft is testing new Dialog UI internally, and if you are running the same build, then you can force enable it using vivetool. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to download and set up vivetool on your Windows 11 PC. I have already created a video on how to do that. The link is in the description. So after that, you need to launch command prompt with admin rights, and for that you need to click on the search icon available on the taskbar. Then you need to type cmd. When it appears in the search results, click on Run as Administrator. When USC dialog box appear, click Yes to continue. Now here you need to execute 3 commands back to back. So this is the first one, this is the second, this is the last. So once done, you need to restart your computer to apply the changes. So at this point, you have successfully enabled the new Dialog UI for rename this PC date and time setting dialog. So let's confirm this. Here, if you click on the rename option, this time you will find that you have enabled the new Dialog UI. And if you head over to date and time settings, you will find the same. As discussed above, it also supports dark mode. So let's see how it looks like dark mode. So this is how the new Dialog UI looks like for rename this PC and change date and time dialogs. It is also possible that Microsoft will update more dialogues soon. For example, reset this PC, enter product key, account dialogues, and even more are still not updated. That's it guys. What is your opinion about Microsoft making these changes? Let me know your opinion in the comments. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.